Hello again, students, and welcome to another lesson using Autodesk Inventor Professional 2022, and it's based on the server. In this lesson, you're going to make 4 playground poles. This will be your first Autodesk Professional 2022 assignment. So we're going to start with something easy. Without further ado, let's begin. Here's how you get there. Navigate to your Google Classroom. You're going to find the playground poles assignment. I want you to open up the PDF that's there, and you can use this plus sign to zoom in. You can see that the first pole is 96 inches and the diameter is 4 inches. Here's another pole that's 123 inches long and it's 4 inches in diameter. Here's another pole, short pole, 27 inches with a 4-inch diameter, and then oddly 36-inch length, and it's only got a 2-inch diameter, and that's the monkey pole. So now that I have those committed to memory, I'm going to return to the Google class. Now you're going to return to the Cameo link. Here's the Cameo challenge. Select the Cameo link. And as you recall, once the interface loads, don't forget to select Start Working. You'll see this inner window. I want you to move to the upper right, find the red X, select it, close that inner window. So for the first piece, we're going to make the main pole. You're going to start by selecting New, Standard IPT, and then Create. You have to wait a minute. The software takes quite a bit to load. When you see the browser on the left and the Start 2D Sketch at the top with the gray screen in the middle, you know you're good to go. And I want you to start a 2D sketch. And then you're going to make sure you always select the XY plane when making a part. You want to do every piece and part the same. And then I'm going to start with the circle. It's very simple. And you're going to click the origin and drag it out. And all you have to do is take your hands off the mouse and type 4 for the diameter and enter. And there you have and you're going to use a mouse wheel to scroll out so that you can see your circle is 4 inches in diameter. You can see here it says 4. And then I want to finish sketch. And once again, the next step is to create the third dimension. In this case, it'll be extrude. And you can see here where it says distance A, you want to change that number to 96 inches and select OK. And then scroll out with your mouse wheel to verify that it's properly done. Now you want to make sure you save it in the right way. So you're going to select File, Save As. And before you even change the file name, I want you to use this folder with the green arrow. You want to select up one level. Until you find Remote User. Once you find the Remote User folder, double click it. Then you're going to find your G drive, double click it. Then you're going to find your Playground folder, double click it. Now you're going to change the file name to Main Pole. And save your first Inventor Professional 2022 part. With that said, you can always select File, Export, Image, and then you want to change the file type to PNG and save. That should also go in your Playgrounds folder. That's where you want to get it, or from your Recents folder. That's 1/4 of the assignment. Let's continue. I'm going to show you how to use this browser on the left to edit. As you remember, the long pole was 123 inches. So what I want to do is change the extrusion length. Here it says extrusion, and if you double click it, it should bring up that pop-up window again. And what you'll do is change it to 123 in length and click OK. Zoom out a bit to see that it's all right. And then you want to select File, Save As. Don't forget to change the name. Call it long pole. And then, as you can see, it's still saving in your playground folder. All parts and pieces must be saved in the playground folder without exception. Save. And File, Export, Image. As you can see, it's going to be a PNG, and you want to change the name of it to, oops, it's already changed. It's called long pole, and then you want to save. Now you have 2 images. That's half the assignment. Now you want to return to the browser where you see Extrusion. You want to double click. You want to change this to 27. Click OK. That's called the short pole. You can use your middle mouse wheel at any time to pan. File, Save As, name it short pole. Every single piece should be named the appropriate name. And as you can see, it's an IPT, inventor part. It'll be going in my playground folder. Save. That is 3/4 of the assignment. And now I want to show you another way to edit. You see this extrusion. It was made first with a 2D sketch, which was a circle. So I can select this plus sign in the browser under extrusion, and I see sketch 1. If I double click that, then I can also double click the dimension and change it to a 2-inch diameter. Select OK. And then I select the green arrow, Finish Sketch. Now it's a 2-inch diameter. However, I've got to change the length to 36 inches as per specification. Double click the extrusion, change the number to 36, say OK. As you can see, I'm using my pan tool to center it. File, Save As, call it monkey pole, and save. And then finally, you're going to go File, Export, Image. Remember, verify that it's a PNG, verify that it's called monkey pole, verify that it's going in the playground folder, and save. All 4 of those poles should be in your recents folder. Those are the images you want to turn in for assignment credit. Good luck.